Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm delighted you've joined us today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of the simple, effective health tips we bring you for vibrant senior living. Today we're diving into something that's likely sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now, baking soda. That humble little box of powder can do so much more than brighten your clothes or freshen your fridge. I'll show you creative, safe ways seniors can use baking soda to address a surprising number of common health concerns. You'll discover how adding just a little baking soda to your routine can help soothe tired muscles, promote digestive comfort, improve oral health, and much more. By the end of this video, you'll have practical, science-backed strategies you can put into action right away to feel better and boost your day-to-day comfort. Before we dive in, a quick reminder, this information is meant to support healthy living. If you have any medical conditions or take prescription medications, please talk with your healthcare provider before trying new remedies. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about acid balance. As we age, our bodies sometimes struggle to maintain the right pH levels, especially in our digestive tract. When acidity gets out of whack, you may experience heartburn, indigestion, or even sluggishness. A simple tablespoon of baking soda dissolved in a glass of water can neutralize excess stomach acid, providing fast relief from discomfort after a heavy meal. This approach has been used for decades in countless clinical and anecdotal reports. It's gentle, accessible, and inexpensive. Just be careful not to overdo it. Stick to one dose, and don't use this trick more than once or twice a week without consulting your doctor. Next, we'll explore how baking soda can soothe joint and muscle soreness. After a day of gardening, ballroom dancing, or just a long walk, you might feel stiff or achy. A warm foot bath with a handful of baking soda helps ease sore muscles and reduces inflammation. The mild alkalinity draws out tension and can restore comfort faster than plain water alone. Seniors with mild arthritis, plantar fasciitis, or general discomfort in their feet have reported noticeable relief after soaking for 20 minutes. You can even add a drop of lavender essential oil for a touch of aromatherapy that further promotes relaxation. Oral health is another area where baking soda shines. Maintaining gum health and fresh breath tends to get trickier with age. Brushing once or twice a week with a paste made from baking soda and water gently polishes away surface stains on teeth, neutralizes acids left by bacteria, and leaves your mouth feeling clean. Unlike harsh whitening strips or abrasive commercial pastes, baking soda is gentle enough for delicate senior enamel when used with care. Simply wet your toothbrush, dip it into a little baking soda, and brush for 2 minutes as usual. Follow up with a fluoride toothpaste to protect against cavities. Let's shift to skin care. Skin often becomes drier and more prone to irritation with age. Baking soda can help here, too. For those annoying itchy patches or mild rashes, a paste of baking soda and water applied to the affected area for 10 minutes can relieve itching and reduce redness. It's especially useful for insect bites, minor sunburn, or contact dermatitis from household cleaners. After rinsing thoroughly, pat the skin dry and follow with your favorite moisturizer. Always do a small patch test first to make sure your skin tolerates it well. You might be surprised to learn that baking soda also lends a hand with detoxification. A gentle detox bath infused with a cup of baking soda helps draw out toxins through the skin while soothing muscles and softening skin. The alkalinity supports your body's natural cleansing processes, and seniors often report feeling refreshed and more energized after a baking soda soak. Make sure the water is comfortably warm, not hot, and soak for no more than 20 minutes. Moving on to foot health, something we all need to pay attention to as we get older. Fungal infections under toenails or between the toes can be stubborn and uncomfortable. A daily soak in a basin with warm water and a few tablespoons of baking soda helps discourage fungal growth and reduces odor. After soaking, dry your feet thoroughly and slip on clean, breathable socks. Over time, you may notice fewer flare-ups and fresher-smelling feet, which is a big confidence boost when you're out with friends or family. Baking soda can also ease urinary discomfort. Some seniors experience mild urinary tract irritation without a full-blown infection. Drinking a solution of half a teaspoon of baking soda in water can help neutralize bladder acidity and ease that burning feeling. This should be used sparingly and in consultation with a healthcare provider, particularly if you're on any medications or have an existing urinary condition. Let's talk about arthritis relief more broadly. In addition to topical baths, internal alkalinization may help manage systemic inflammation. By neutralizing excess acidity in the diet, think coffee, processed foods, red meat, baking soda restores a more balanced pH. You can add a small pinch to a glass of water once a day to support this approach. Over weeks, some seniors report less joint stiffness, increased mobility, and reduced need for over-the-counter pain relievers. Always track how you feel and discuss ongoing use with your doctor to avoid electrolyte imbalances. We can't overlook digestive health beyond heartburn. Mild bloating, gas, and discomfort after meals can spoil a social outing or a peaceful afternoon. A quarter teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water before or after a meal can prevent overacidity and soothe the digestive tract. I've had viewers tell me this little trick allowed them to enjoy family dinners again without that uncomfortable bloating afterward. It's so empowering to reclaim those moments without distraction. Now, for a tip that many of you might not expect: oral irrigation. Many dentists recommend gentle flossing and brushing, but an occasional saline rinse with baking soda can help keep gums healthy. Mix a half teaspoon in a glass of warm water, swish for 30 seconds, and spit. This easy rinse reduces bacteria, soothes inflammation, and helps prevent gingivitis, a common concern for seniors. Let's touch on bad breath. Overnight mouth dryness can lead to morning dragon breath. Keep a small jar of baking soda by your bedside. If you wake up with that stale feeling, stir a quarter teaspoon into a sip of water, take a gentle swish for a few seconds, and spit. Your breath will feel fresher, and you won't need harsh mints or strong mouthwashes to cover it up. Many seniors struggle with toenail fungus or brittle nails. In addition to foot soaks, a paste of baking soda and water applied directly to the nail bed can create an environment less hospitable to fungus. Apply once a day, let it sit for a few minutes, and rinse. Over time, nails can grow in clearer and stronger, though persistence is key, since toenails grow slowly. We've covered a lot of ground, but let me share one more pro tip: breathing comfort. If you're dealing with the occasional stuffy nose or sinus pressure, inhaling steam from a bowl of hot water with baking soda added can help thin mucus and relieve congestion. Lean over the bowl, cover your head with a towel, and breathe deeply for 3 to 5 minutes. This simple steam therapy can be safer and gentler for seniors than some over-the-counter decongestant sprays. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. Baking soda can be a wellness multi-tool, supporting digestive balance, easing muscular aches, boosting oral and skin health, promoting foot care, and even offering mild detox and respiratory relief. The key is moderation. Start with the smallest effective dose, monitor how you feel, and always pair these tips with guidance from your healthcare professional. Thank you so much for spending these minutes with me. If you found value in today's tips, Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, family, or anyone who could use a simple wellness boost. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you'll be first to know when we post more senior-focused health hacks. Your support means the world and helps us keep creating content tailored just for you. A friendly reminder, I am not a doctor. The information provided here is for educational purposes and should not replace professional medical advice. Always check with your healthcare provider before trying new health practices or remedies. Thanks again for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.